Unit 3, Biology and Human Welfare 1. The pathogen of malaria is Plasmodium. 2. The vector of malaria is female Anopheles mosquito. 3. The incubation period of malaria is about 10-14 days. 4. The disease Kala-Azar is caused by Leishmania donovani. 5. Filariasis is caused by Wuchereria bancrofti. 6. Ringworm is caused by fungus. 7. Pneumonia is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae. 8. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. 9. The pathogen of typhoid is Salmonella typhi. 10. Typhoid fever is confirmed by Whittle test. 11. HIV destroys helper T lymphocytes. 12. AIDS was first reported in the year 1981. 13. Cancer-causing agents are called carcinogens. 14. The uncontrolled cell division in body is called cancer. 15. The treatment of cancer by chemicals is called chemotherapy. 16. The treatment of cancer by radiation is called radiotherapy. 17. Active immunity is produced by vaccination. 18. The first vaccine developed was against smallpox. 19. The Bacillus Comet-Guerin BCG vaccine is given against tuberculosis. 20. The polio vaccine was discovered by Jonas Salk. 21. Interferons are proteins that protect against viral infection. 22. Allergy is due to release of histamine. 23. Autoimmune disease where joints are affected is rheumatoid arthritis. 24. Insulin was discovered by Banting and Best. 25. Drug abuse means excessive use of narcotic drugs. 26. Cocaine is commonly called coke or crack. 27. Morphine is obtained from the plant Papaver somniferum. 28. Marijuana is obtained from Cannabis sativa. 29. Alcohol is a type of depressant drug. 30. Excessive use of drugs leads to addiction. 31. Rehabilitation helps in recovery of drug-addicted persons. 32. Malaria is transmitted by bite of infected female Anopheles mosquito. 33. The infective stage of Plasmodium in humans is the sporozoite. 34. The periodic fever in malaria is due to bursting of RBCs. 35. Dengue fever is transmitted by Aedes mosquito. 36. Sleeping sickness is caused by trypanosoma. 37. Ascariasis is caused by roundworm. 38. Filariasis affects the lymphatic system. 39. Amoebiasis is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. 40. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae. 41. The disease caused by deficiency of insulin is diabetes mellitus. 42. Cancer-causing genes are called oncogenes. 43. The body's defense system against infections is the immune system. 44. The structural and functional units of immune system are lymphocytes. 45. Active immunity develops after vaccination. 46. Passive immunity is transferred from mother to fetus. 47. Antibodies are produced by B lymphocytes. 48. T lymphocytes mature in the thymus gland. 49. Histamine causes symptoms of allergy. 50. Mast cells release histamine. 51. AIDS is transmitted mainly through sexual contact. 52. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. 53. Malaria parasite completes sexual cycle in mosquito. 54. Malaria parasite completes a sexual cycle in humans. 55. The infective stage of Wuchereria is microfilariae. 56. The primary host of Plasmodium is mosquito. 57. The secondary host of Plasmodium is human. 58. Ringworm is caused by fungus. 59. Pneumonia affects the lungs. 60. Tuberculosis affects the lungs. 61. Vaccines are examples of active immunization. 62. Snake venom can be treated by antiserum. 63. Cancer-causing chemicals are called carcinogens. 64. Antibiotics are effective against bacteria. 65. Interferons provide defense against viruses. 66. The vaccine for polio was developed by Jonas Salk. 67. The vaccine for smallpox was developed by Edward Jenner. 68. The first successful vaccine was against smallpox. 69. AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. 70. HIV belongs to the group of retroviruses. 71. AIDS patients die due to secondary infection. 72. Microbes used in bread making are yeast. 73. Microbes used in Swiss cheese are Propionibacterium charminae. 74. Microbes used in curd are Lactobacillus. 75. The large holes in Swiss cheese are due to Co-276. Microbes used for citric acid production are Aspergillus niger. 77. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. 78. Penicillin is obtained from the fungus Penicillium notatum. 79. Streptomycin is obtained from Streptomyces griseus. 80. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is commonly called baker's yeast. 81. The first antibiotic discovered was penicillin. 82. The bacteria used in ethanol production is Zymomonas mobilis. 83. Methanogens are present in rumen of cattle. 84. Biogas is mainly composed of methane. 85. The biogas plant commonly used in India is KVIC model. 86. The fungus used in citric acid production is Aspergillus niger. 87. The bacterium used in butyric acid production is Clostridium botulinum. 88. The microbe used in production of cyclosporin A is Trichoderma polysporum. 89. The microbe used in production of statins is Monoscus purpureus. 90. Bohot is reduced in secondary sewage treatment. 91. Gobar gas is another name for biogas. 92. Plant breeding involves hybridization of plants. 93. The father of green revolution in India is M.S. Swaminathan. 94. IR8 is a high-yielding variety of rice. 95. Sonalika and Kalyan Sona are varieties of wheat. 96. The hybrid variety of maize is called Shakti. 97. Cross between two different species is called interspecific hybridization. 98. Resistance to yellow mosaic virus was introduced in mung bean. 99. Semi-dwarf rice variety was developed by IRRI International Rice Research Institute. 100. The process of breeding animals with superior traits is called animal husbandry. 101. The breed of dairy cow developed in India is Holstein Friesian Cross. 102. The breed of sheep famous for wool is Merino. 103. The Italian bee introduced in India is Apis mellifera. 104. Fish farming is called aquaculture. 105. The practice of rearing silkworm is called sericulture. 106. The practice of rearing honeybees is called apiculture. 107. Blue revolution is related to fish production. 108. The vaccine produced in plants by biotechnology is called edible vaccine. 109. Biofortification aims to improve nutritional quality of crops. 110. SCP stands for single-cell protein. 111. Spirulina is a rich source of protein. 112. SCP stands for single-cell protein. 113. Spirulina is rich in protein. 114. Biogas is produced by methanogens. 115. The major component of biogas is methane. 116. Rhizobium forms nodules in leguminous plants. 117. Blue-green algae fix atmospheric nitrogen. 118. Biofertilizers are organisms that improve soil fertility. 119. Biofortification increases nutritional value of crops. 120. Golden rice is rich in beta-carotene. 121. Apiculture is rearing of honeybees. 122. The bacterium used in alcohol fermentation is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. 123. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is also called brewer's yeast. 124. The process of making wine from grapes is fermentation. 125. Antibiotic penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. 126. Industrial production of penicillin was done by Ernst Chain and Howard Florey. 127. Streptomycin was discovered by Selman Waxman. 128. Cyclosporin A is obtained from Trichoderma polysporum. 129. Cyclosporin A is used as an immunosuppressive drug. 130. Statins are obtained from Monoscus purpureus. 131. Statins are used to lower cholesterol. 132. The bacterium used in Swiss cheese production is Propionibacterium charmina. 133. The large holes in Swiss cheese are due to CO2 production. 134. The bacterium used in buttermilk and curd is Lactobacillus. 135. Biogas production uses methanogens. 136. Methanogens are present in rumen of cattle. 137. Activated sludge is rich in aerobic microbes. 138. Primary treatment of sewage removes suspended solids. 139. Secondary treatment of sewage removes organic matter. 140. The byproduct of sewage treatment is biogas. 141. Microbes that kill insects are called biopesticides. 142. Artificial insemination involves inseminating females with semen of superior males. 143. MOET stands for multiple ovulation embryo transfer. 144. In MOET, cows are injected with FSH. 145. Superovulation results in production of 6-8 eggs. 146. In dairy farm management, the best breed of cow is selected for high milk yield. 147. In poultry farming, the desirable trait is low maintenance and high egg yield. 148. Aquaculture deals with rearing of aquatic organisms. 149. Pisciculture is culture of fishes. 150. Apiculture provides products like honey and wax. 151. Outcrossing is mating of animals of same breed but unrelated. 152. Inbreeding increases homozygosity. 153. Crossbreeding combines traits of two different breeds. 154. The disease-free fish seed is produced by hormonal stimulation. 155. Green Revolution was based on high-yielding varieties. 156. White Revolution is related to milk production. 157. Blue Revolution is related to fish production. 158. Yellow Revolution is related to oil seeds. 159. Biofortification increases micronutrient content. 160. Atlas 66 variety of wheat is rich in protein. 161. Vitamin-rich carrots are an example of biofortification. 162. Health is defined by WHO as complete physical, mental, and social well-being. 163. Diseases which are transmitted from one person to another are called infectious diseases. 164. Diseases which do not spread from one person to another are called non-infectious diseases. 165. Plasmodium vivax causes malaria. 166. The malarial parasite is transmitted by female Anopheles mosquito. 167. The infective stage of Plasmodium is sporozoite. 168. The sexual stage of Plasmodium occurs in mosquito. 169. The asexual stage of Plasmodium occurs in humans. 170. The parasite causing amoebiasis is Entamoeba histolytica. 171. Kala-azar is caused by Leishmania donovani. 172. Ringworm is caused by fungus. 173. Ascariasis is caused by roundworm. 174. Elephantiasis is caused by Wuchereria bancrofti. 175. The disease-causing virus of common cold is rhinovirus. 176. The virus causing AIDS is HIV. 177. The full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. 178. HIV attacks helper T lymphocytes. 179. The test for AIDS detection is ELISA. 180. Cancer is caused due to uncontrolled cell division. 181. Cancer-causing genes are called oncogenes. 182. Substances that cause cancer are called carcinogens. 183. Chemotherapy uses drugs to kill cancer cells. 184. Radiotherapy uses radiations to kill cancer cells. 185. Allergy is due to the release of histamine. 186. The first antibiotic discovered was penicillin. 187. Vaccines provide artificial active immunity. 188. The first vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner. 189. The vaccine against polio was discovered by Jonas Salk. 190. BCG vaccine is given against tuberculosis. 191. Hepatitis B vaccine is produced through recombinant DNA technology. 192. Immunity present by birth is called innate immunity. 193. Immunity acquired after infection is called acquired immunity. 194. The cells producing antibodies are B lymphocytes. 195. The cells responsible for cell-mediated immunity are T lymphocytes. 196. Interferons are secreted by virus-infected cells. 197. Snake venom is treated by antivenom serum. 198. Monoclonal antibodies were discovered by Kohler and Milstein. 199. The drug extracted from poppy plant is morphine. 200. Cocaine is obtained from coca plant. 201. Marijuana is obtained from cannabis sativa. 202. Smallpox has been completely eradicated by vaccination. 203. The cause of diabetes is deficiency of insulin. 204. Chemically synthesized insulin was named humulin. 205. The first cloned animal was Dolly sheep. 206. The Human Genome Project was declared complete in 2003.